Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. We are the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Beeler here with another wonderful Bonanza to tell you about. You know, it's our specialty. We specialize in only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. So today I've got a 1998 A36 to brag about. 4 words that are of interest here: low time, well equipped. So let's talk about your engine. We have a Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine. Check out your GAMI fuel injectors. Only 1,235 hours on the engine and airframe since new. Now remember, she's a 1998, low time. The exterior of Bonanza 3054 Alpha is gorgeous. Overall white with blue, gray, and red trim in beautiful, gorgeous condition. Only 1,235 hours on the airframe since new. As you can see, the paint scheme is stunning. This is a beautiful aircraft. You're going to want to fly her places and show her off with the family or for business trips. 80 gallons of fuel on board to take us to our dream destinations. Now, I'm told there are some hail pings on the aircraft, folks. I can't find them anywhere. You'd be hard-pressed to see them unless we pointed them out. So check out the big double cargo doors we love about the A36. So easy to load our passengers and our things. Now, right now the seats are in the club seating configuration and they're versatile. We can change that. If everyone wants to face forward, we can move the seats to do just that, or we can even stow or remove a seat. The great thing about it, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're ready to go. Would you like to come in and have a seat with me? The interior is in beautiful condition. Check out these gray leather seats, very nice blue carpet. This executive writing desk is in perfect condition. I don't think it's ever been used. We also have shoulder harnesses on all the seats and a 6-place intercom system. The avionics on this A36 are impressive. You'll enjoy the King KFC 150 Autopilot, Flight Director slaved HSI with altitude and vertical speed Preselect, yaw damp, Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, Garmin 430 GPS Navcom with WAAS, a Garmin transponder with ADS-B traffic and weather displayed on both the 530 and 430, XM weather, Stormscope, ADF, DME, and GPI EDM 700 graphic engine monitor. Other features you will appreciate: a standby alternator, standby gyro pressure system, air conditioning, co-pilot brakes, Rosen sun visors, and remember, she is low time and well equipped. So this aircraft is gorgeous and she's looking for a new home. This could be your next best flying buddy. Remember, she's low time, 1998, but only about 1,200 hours on the engine and airframe since new. We also have air conditioning, a well-equipped flight deck, lots to love here. So we invite you to come to Piedmont Triad International Airport and meet us here at Carolina Aircraft. Take this beautiful A36 for a test drive. We look forward to meeting you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.